This is Ali Karayel from YAMSA Fitting Machinery, and I'm sales and marketing manager of YAMSA company. I am responsible for sales and contracts and designing of the flow charts, and other all things about the fit meals. As a YAMSA company, we have more than 25 years experience. We are making a turnkey project. Until now, we have made more than 100 projects, and we are exporting export more than 25 countries. We have an agency in some countries, and like Saudi Arabia and Egypt and Algeria, and we are very powerful in Algeria. We have factories, more than 6 in Algeria. And as a YAMSA company, we want to enter the South Asia market, and that's why we are participating in the exhibition in Bangladesh. And the next year, inshallah, again we will join the exhibition in Bangladesh, and we hope to enter the market. That's all. Thank you so much.